guys know, I'm gonna unboxing this. What's inside? Okay, we got this strong animal kaiser maximum. Got the card. So let's see. Let's open it. Whoa. Got these card. Okay. So these card got bulldozer, got punch tank, we got mysterious line cap, we got Ben K, Ted, humpback whale, dugong, blue coral snake, check it, Ben K, Velas ray, spade, narwhal, electric ray, chipmunks, long earth bat, Holstein, Wonder Punchman number 1, Wonder Punchman number 9, and Alien Egg, Manju, and Giant UFO. Okay, thank you for all guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Bye.